Hey Jiwa, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool material right here, and basically what this is a premium electric callus shaver. So definitely use this on your feet to remove calluses like dry skin or cracked skin or whatever, which is pretty awesome. So the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and this is basically what the packaging looks like. They do have other ones available that's for women, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which one is best for you guys. But I've been seeing the back right here, they provide you guys some more information about the product right here. But let's open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so first thing you see inside is a user manual to teach you guys how to set a product and how to use it. And then right underneath that is the actual product right here. So they provide you guys some few extra heads right here, and then here's the cable you're gonna plug in to recharge it. And then right here is the actual device. So take everything out to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so here is basically what the cable looks like that you're going to use to recharge it. Right underneath the cable, they do provide guys this accessory that you can use to clean off the product if you guys need to. Right here, they provide guys two of these extra accessories that you can use to replace the head. And then last but not least, we have the actual product right here that's all nicely wrapped. Let's take out the wrapper first. Alright, so once we remove it from the wrapper, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So here is the button you guys want to press to activate it. You can see it's pretty strong. So strong to the point where I actually push out the cap right here. And I really like the way how they designed this button right here because it won't actually go up unless you guys push this button down and then push it up. So if you guys try to push it up like this, it won't work. So that's a really good safety feature that's built on the bar right here. It's definitely really nice how they provide you guys the cap right here. So that way you guys actually protect the product and protect yourself from getting hurt as well. So right here is the head part. So you basically want to put this on your feet. So all you need to do is just roll this underneath your feet and everything. If you guys have any calluses, dry skin, cracked skin or whatever. And right here they do have an indicator light to show you guys when the product is charging or not. And bottom part right here is basically where you're going to plug in the cable to actually charge it up. And then on the side right here is basically the button you guys want to press to actually take it out. So if you guys press this button right here. Alright. So you see that's how you guys take it out. And we're going to put it back in. Push the button again, and there's all set. So that is basically everything that's on the product in terms of how to use it and what is actually included for you guys. Now I'm actually plugging in the cable to show you guys how to charge the product and also show you guys how to use it. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the product plugged in right here. If you can see, when we actually plug it in, there's a red indicator light that pops on. So I'm assuming once it's fully charged, that light should either turn off or should change to a different color like green or something. But that is basically how you guys know when the product is charging and how to actually charge it. Alright, so right here we have the product, and right here I have my feet. So when you guys look at the back part here, it definitely has a lot of this like dry skin or like this skin on here. So you basically want to get one of these right here to actually shave it off. And when you guys use it, you don't want to use it for more than 2 to 3 seconds. So let's turn it on and test it out. Alright. So even just for using it for like a few seconds right here, you can see how it comes off with all this dead skin right here. And see right here, I have a little callus right here. So you definitely use that to actually remove it slowly. Alright, so this callus that we have right here, it might take some time for it to remove. So probably have to do it like daily to actually get rid of that. But for the bottom part right here, you can see the dead skin right here, or the dry skin right here, or cracked skin. This definitely does work. So you basically want to just roll it back and forth on this side and the other side if you guys do have like dry skin or whatever. And once you guys finish using the shaver, you probably want to use like some lotion and apply it on to actually take care of your skin. But eventually the product definitely does work, and it does shave off a lot of the dead skin off from here, which is pretty nice. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that a quick test of the product, definitely see that actually does work. It actually works quite well. Super easy to install the product. If you can see, literally all you need to do is push the button and start using it on your feet or wherever you guys have like cracked skin. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys have like dry skin, cracked skin or whatever. Basically, if you guys have any issue with your skin on your feet, you definitely want to get one of these right here to actually help you guys remove like the dead skin and everything. So if you guys do need a product that can help with that, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.